My fifth tip, my last tip for today's video, is that you really should, once you find a winning system, you really should ignore what other people are doing. If you have a system that you can backtest and prove profitable, that's all you need to focus on. What people are doing on social media, what people are saying they're doing on Twitter, it doesn't matter. What matters is the system that you have in front of you. How well can you execute it? Is it proven that it works through backtesting and through forward testing in the live market? If so, that's all you need. That writes your ticket. So I think a lot of new traders, myself even included, will sometimes get distracted by what's going on in the noise in social media land. And in reality, all that matters is what trades we're making, the decisions we're making at the desk. And what that comes back to is the system that you're following. So if you have questions about a system, or if you want to learn more about our system, the ASFX systems, click the link in the description. I put some links down there where you can get more info. Watch some other of my free YouTube videos. See for yourself the systems in action. You can see recaps of my recent trades. You can see recaps with some of our coaches and how they're using the systems, so you can really dive into this idea of systematic entry and exit signals, controlled risk management, and controlled trade management. Like you saw from that exit sheet, how I know exactly where to move my stop and when to take profit, and I do it the same way every time because that's what the testing tells me works. So I hope these 5 tips help you. Like I said, comment below. Let me know which of the 5 tips sticks out to you the most and that you're looking to focus on in 2021 as we head forward into the new year. I hope the first month of trading wrapped up well for you. And if there's anything I can do for you, please, like I said, comment below, send me an email, DM me, just make sure it's the real me. And I appreciate the time that you give me for this video. Make sure you're subscribed, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.